why am I not going sailing at the minute? I've got 4 days off. Yesterday was the plan to come down and set up the boat and get it ready for today to go out there, but with the storm weather, we had thunder, lightning and whatever else yesterday, and gusts up to 40, probably 40 plus winds, because they always say between 30 and 40, but you'll always get them gusts as well. And the trouble is, where this river is, where we come out of the river, you've got the southerly winds and southwesterly winds at the minute. It's sort of changing direction to southwest. Along this side of the river is a sandbank. On this side of the river there's a beach. Come with me guys, I'm going to just show you what I run about. Yeah, I'm going to try and show you the state of the sea at the minute. It's got quite rough here at the entrance to the river itself. If you look here, you've got sandbanks that run there. So you've got a sandbank runs all the way along there, the beach here. So you're coming out of here, along here, and then you've got starboard port marker buoys. So you'd be coming along here, and then you'd leave that on your port side, that on your starboard side. So you've got a small channel there to leave out of. So it can be quite tricky. You've got to know what you're doing. I wouldn't like just to get in a boat and just go. There's the risk as well that you can get caught on this sandbank here as well at lower tides. Ideally high tide every time, either side 1 hour. So yeah, I'll pass you back to me now. And as you come out the between the sandbank and the beach, you get to a safe water mark. And the risk there is, because of the winds coming on shore, the wave heights are going to be quite increased. So I've got the risk, because I've not run the boat for a while. I've trialled the engine over the winter and it were running fine last time I trialled it, but there's that risk. If that engine cuts out, I can drop anchor, but there's still a chance that the boat might end up being washed up onto the beach. And I don't want to risk that. I want to go out in fairly settled weather where I know that if it fails, I can chuck the anchor out, put the smaller engine on as a backup, and then bring myself back in. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm not going sailing, and then later on we'll look at this bigger trip, fingers crossed. What else can I tell you? The last trip wasn't 100% successful, as you know. Like I say, I ended up ill. There were a few other things that happened in between, so if you're still watching up to this point, the story behind what happened and the dramatic things that escalated along the way, I'll bring them up at a later date, because it knocks your confidence massively. And it was stupid things, schoolboy errors that you should never do. And just purely the fact that I was that fatigued that all you want to do is just get home. And there's nothing worse than just wanting to get home. And you do stupid things, and I should have left it, but I'll go more into that at a later date. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to bring you all back up to speed, and the next video I'm going to show you will be dismasting with me and my dad, which I hope you enjoy, because it was good fun making it. It's the first time working with my dad. I'm going to leave you at that, and I'm going to thank you for sticking with me and putting up with all my waffle, and let me know about Davey Bones, see what you think, and I'll catch you all again soon, guys. See you soon, take care and stay safe, or stay alert as Boris Johnson says, or stay at home but go to work. But don't go to work, because you need to work from home. But if you can work from home, go to work. Who knows, you may or may not see me, or you might see me, or you might not see me. Catch you soon, Madventurers.